To park a call with the Grandstream 2135 IP phone, utilize either the soft transfer key or the dedicated transfer key, and then select the Park Pilot button or extension 700. The call will be parked directly to the first available park slot numerically. You will see the call parked indicated by a red indicator light next to the park slot. To retrieve the call, simply press the corresponding park slot. You will hear a tone indicating the call has been retrieved, and you will see the call is now live on the phone.